And ako, naniniwala talaga ako na the reason why most entrepreneurs fail or the reason why most people na sinusubukan nila na maging isang negosyante, the reason why they fail is because they don't have the internal bandwidth o yung kakayahan nila to handle things in their life. They have the wrong intentions and they have the wrong foundation. So, maybe madami sa inyo makaka-relate dito, but there was a time and a moment in my life where sobrang inatake ako ng anxiety. Dumating sa point na hindi na ako makahinga. When you become an entrepreneur, people will expect you to be okay. People will expect you to be strong even though gusto mo nang bumigay, gusto mo nang umiyak, and wala kang masabihan, wala kang makwentuhan because unang-una, if you tell them, they might be discouraged. If you tell them, they might lose their trust sa'yo and you don't want that to happen. Like I thought about stopping. I thought about quitting. And it brought me to a deeper sense of realization. He talked about na bilang isang entrepreneur, bilang isang negosyante, it's important that you go back 100% sa totoong purpose mo. To success for me is going back to fulfilling my God-given potential.